Hey everyone, welcome back. It's been a while. I was planning to upload a video last week, but things got a bit hectic, so it's coming out a little late. Today I want to introduce and compare two sliders from 3DX, the X55 slider and the X3 slider. Both of them use the ink splash design. Let's start with the X55. The cover seems to be 3D printed. The internal plates are stainless steel. Each plate has a single screw in the centre. When I first started using it, the screws kept backing themselves out every time I slid it, which was pretty annoying, but after applying some Loctite and tightening them again, they haven't come loose since. On the right plate there's a black Teflon patch. Looks like they placed one at each magnet position. I opened one side of the plate and added 2 extra magnets to turn it into a 3-click setup. The sliding action is a bit stiff though. Even though I'm right-handed, for some reason I find it more comfortable to handle floating sliders with my left hand. Flipping actions are not amazing, but they get the job done. As for the accessories, it comes with a 3D printed box and a small screwdriver. Inside the box you'll find magnets, washers, a tool for moving the magnets, more magnets and extra Teflon patches. You can tell right away that this is where it's supposed to go, right? Let me put everything back. There are quite a lot of magnets and washers included. Now let's move on to the X3 slider. Compared to the X55, this one slides much more smoothly and easily. If you look inside, both the cover and the plates are 3D printed, and each plate has 2 screws. The sliding action feels much smoother overall. Since it's 3D printed, it's a bit on the lighter side, but still solid enough. Even though the X55 was released as an upgraded model compared to the X3 slider, I prefer the X3 over the X55. When you open the accessory box, you'll find extra magnets and washers. These brass-looking pieces seem to be weights, and if you look at the gap inside the slider, you can see where they sit. There's also this cylinder that looks like a water jug. This is what the slider was packaged inside. And of course, there's a Teflon patches included as well. It seems like Teflon patches are a signature feature of 3DX sliders. Overall, the X55 feels noticeably stiffer, while the X3 is much smoother. One thing I want to add is that in my previous video, I mentioned that the Aura Slim Z didn't flip very well, but just like Kevin and Stephen pointed out in their comments, Once I put the stainless steel plate on the bottom, the flipping action worked perfectly. Thanks for the tip. That was a quick introduction and comparison of the two 3DX sliders. I'd love to hear what you all think as well. Thanks for watching.